Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys are ready for another nail video. So let's get right into it. So for this nail video, I will be testing out some ROSALIND gel polishes, and this is their brown and gray collection, almost like a fall collection, but they also have a black and white that I wanted to try out. I love trying out black and whites because not every black is a nice black and not every white is a nice white or the shade that I'm looking for. So this is their box. Look how cute. I love the saying, be your own manicurist. This is a nice rose box. Looks really pretty. Comes with instructions, questions on how to use gel polish, and that you need a UV LED lamp to cure these gel polishes. And it just tells you step by step how to use and how to remove, which I love. So there are 8 polishes in this collection, and now I'm just going to swatch them and let you know my opinion on each color and the gel polishes. So obviously you can see these are random numbers that they have here, and the only thing that I don't like is that they have stickers instead of the names on the bottle, because the stickers couldn't always fall off. But this is number 15, and this is like a unicorn color. It has that iridescent color and is really great for making like unicorns or just having that sparkle with that what do you call it, like that pink background shade, but not being a pink color, if you know what I'm saying, right? Look at that. Oh, so pretty. I love that. So the first shade is pretty opaque. You can see it through the clear, which is a plus. So I always do 2 coats when I'm swatching, just to make sure that I can see if it's sheer or opaque. And this is a nice opaque color. Next, we have number 2, which is a, let's see, a white color. Oh yes, this is the white. So let's see how this goes. Oh, it's a pretty good white. So a lot of the times, not all whites are opaque, and you'll have to use multiple coats to get that opaque color, or what I should say, opaque standard. So this is obviously opaque because look how from the first coat it looks white out, white out color. And that's good. I like to make sure that the white is white and not yellowy white. Sometimes you'll get a white and then it's not really bright white as you want it. It's like creamy or just has a yellow tint to it. So this is a really great white. I'm really impressed with this white, guys. Definitely recommend this white. So this is my second coat, and look at that. Beautiful. And it's a nice consistency too. It's not watery, has a creamy consistency, which I also like. It's on the thicker side. I don't like watered down gel polishes. It's just not my go-to. It most likely is gonna peel off. So now we have this gray color, and the number was 2914. And it's funny, I don't use a lot of grays. Don't know why, but I don't use gray a lot or practically at all. But this is a nice pretty gray. This seems, let's see, is it opaque or is it on the sheer side? And this is why I also like to use clear stencils, because it just shows that if it's opaque or not, if you can use it on a clear base or you have to use it on a white base. But this is pretty opaque. It did look sheer at the beginning, but it is a good consistency, and it does have that opaque standard. Now, this is the second coat, and it looks pretty good. Now, I am in, curing each coat for 60 seconds, guys. So just let, a heads up, I am, curing before I place on the second coat. Now we have this orange color that, ooh, now this is like a pumpkin color. I love it. That's a pretty color. So this is number 2406. Let's see if this is opaque. And you see, this is nice creamy consistency. It does not run down. It's not runny. I like that, like I said. Ooh, so this is a nice opaque color. So far, I am really impressed with the consistency. I like this collection so far. It's a lot of pretty colors, and like I said, this is a brown gray collection, so it makes, or a fall collection too, because it has this nice pretty orange. I mean, the unicorn color, I don't know, that one's out of the mix, but so far so good. Like I said, this is nice and opaque. Not every collection or not every polish is going to be the same. So you always got to remember that just because it's by the same brand does not mean the color is going to be consistent, not like, all brands is going to have opaque colors. So next we have, let's see, what is this? This is a nice brown, deep brown. Ooh, this is a nice pretty color here. And this is 2661. So let's see how this looks. Oh, whoa. Okay, see, this is exactly what I was just talking about. So not every color is going to be opaque. Yeah, wow. I'm really shocked. I thought this would be an opaque color, but it absolutely is not. It's very sheer. Wow. I don't know what to say. I'm disappointed because I thought this was going to be a nice, beautiful brown color, and opaque because I'm a big fan of opaque colors. But as you can see, only when I put my hand behind it that it gives that opaque color, but it's really not. Look at that. Okay, so just let you know, for this color, you will have to use 2 or 3 coats to get that opaque color. Now I'm putting on the second layer, and this color, you will definitely need 3 coats to get it a dark brown color. So I wish this was opaque, but it's a pretty color, Just, I wish it was, you see how when my hand is underneath it, I wish that was the color when I first put on, the first coat, but I guess it's not. So like I was saying before, that just proved my point, how not every color is going to be opaque, just by on the brand. So here we go. This is a nice pink color. It's giving a pink peach color. This is 9056, and you guys can't see, this is also, let's see, is this sheer? No, let's see. Make sure you're putting enough polish on your stencil to make, to know that if it's sheer or opaque. Let's see. Now, I'm not saying, put a lot on the first coat. Just put enough to where you know that if it's opaque or sheer. This might be in between because it's not as opaque, but it's also not sheer. Now this is the second coat. And for this color, guys, after I cured it, I did see that it had some like gold glitter inside of it. Now you can't see it. I tried to show it to the camera, but you really can't see the gold shimmer in it, but it does have gold shimmer in this pink or peach color. And I thought that was really nice. It's really pretty. And like I said, this color and the number 15, which is like a unicorn color, is throwing me off of the collection. These two I don't think should be in the collection just because it's not a brown gray color or fall color theme, but yeah. So this is number 3. And I believe this is the black, and I am so hyped to try this out. Now, because the brown, I do not know if this is going to be opaque. Now, the darker the color, the harder it is to get opaque. I know when mixing or getting that formula, it's really hard. Whoa. Okay, this just stopped me from talking. I'm speechless. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. Now this is a black. Wow. I am shocked. Look at that. Look at that first coat. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Now this is what and this is on clear, guys. This is exactly why I do swatches on clear. Clear, stencils, is because you can see. Look at that. Look how beautiful that black is. That is a true black, opaque, beautiful, creamy gel polish right there. Oh my God. Look at that. You only need one coat. I am in total shock. You don't even need a second coat. That is beautiful. And I took it out, I didn't put my hand underneath it so you guys can see, like, just, well, I do both. I put it underneath my hand and then, I put my hand underneath it and, have it in the light. But look, I am so impressed with this black, guys. I highly recommend this black. This is a beautiful black. Wow. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So shocked about that black, guys. Okay, so last but not least, we have number 16. And let's see what this is. Ooh, this is a pretty tan, light brown color. That is a really pretty color. Now let's see if this is going to be opaque, or if it's gonna be like the brown, the dark brown. Let's see. Okay. It looks like it's opaque. Let me get a little bit more here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. All right. No, this is a pretty color. Okay. I like it. The consistency is good, and it does seem like it's opaque. That is a plus for me. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Sometimes I just do multiple like strokes just because if I see like it might be, I like to make sure that the coat is even. So that's why I'll do it multiple times just to make sure that coat is even. So this is opaque, and this is a really pretty color. I like this color a lot. This is a nice, really beautiful color for my skin tone. I could just wear this by itself. So like I said, this is a nice opaque color. The only thing that, with this collection, I am disappointed in that brown. But guys, that white is a nice white out white. So, and it's not no yellow hints to it even after I cured it. So the white and the black, highly recommend out of this collection, guys. Look at this. This is the colors, so beautiful. get this color, get this collection definitely for that white and black. Definitely recommend it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.